The first stage of this disease of nifaq is that now you start covering your faults with lame excuses, telling a lie. Oh Prophet, I wanted to go with you, but you know my wife is very sick, very ill. There's nobody to look after him, her. So please, you grant me relief. Okay? It was the habit of the Prophet. Okay. Whosoever asks for leave, okay. So telling lie, making lame excuses, false excuses, making false statements, kazib. And you will find this word very noticeable. Whenever there is any mention of munafiqin, kazib and kizb and kazib, all these words you will find. The second stage comes when a person starts taking false oaths. By God, I am true, I am not wrong. If I couldn't go, it was no fault of mine. It was this and this. It was this cause and that cause. By God, I swear by Allah. That is why you know the half, oath, swearing by Allah. In Quran, this word has been used 13 times in different forms. And for 11 times it has been used about munafiqeen. That was the habit. Only at 2 other places there is, this word has appeared in the Quran in other contexts. 11 times out of 13, this word has been used. And we'll find in Surah Al-Munafiqun. اتَّخَذُوا أَيْمَانَهُمْ جُنْدَةً. They have taken their oaths as shields to protect them. Why didn't you go? By God, I was sick. This is the shield. Now the third stage comes when a person feels that now people don't believe me. They don't believe me even on my oaths and swearings. And when I make such statements, they just keep on smiling because they don't trust me. Now there starts an enmity of the Muslims, and especially of the leader. Leader was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Enmity. Humul aduwwu fahzarhum. They are the enemies, real enemies. The hidden enemy is more dangerous than the open enemy. The open enemy is attacking you from the front. The hidden enemy that will strike you from the back. They will stab you in the back.